Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how to create a YouTube ads and you target on the specific video on YouTube. So as usual, you open your Google Ads and then you can create campaign. And then as you can see here, there are options here. If you are want to target the specific videos, the conversion ads will not be working. So you just I mean uh, choose this awareness and consideration. For example, you can check one by one either those are eligible or not to use these video targeting ads. So I will open this awareness and consideration, and then I will choose the video, and then for the most common ads is video reach campaign, which is this is the bumper ads on the first or on the last timeline on the video, and then skippable in stream ads or non skippable in stream ads and so on. This is the very common videos format that you already seen on YouTube channel. So and then here you can choose which one your preferable goal. So I will skip for that. Click continue, and then you scroll down. This is the demographic, and then here, as you can see, this is on the ads on the ads level, on the campaign level. I mean, on the campaign level, as you can see, this is the content. Where do you want to add? Do you want your ads to show? So this is the placement. So you just find the particular video you want to add. For example, this is our videos. I will click this video and then I will copy the link and I just paste on here. Wait for a while. YouTube videos, and then this is the videos. I just check this one, and then if I believe if you are already sure what video you want to target, you no need to uh change the demography, audience segment, and so on, because if you do, your audience will be too narrow and then you will not get impression. So I suggest you only put several videos here if you are doing selling some for instance like a supplement for gym. So obviously you will find the videos about exercises, about gyms, etc, etc, and so on. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below, or you can just like and subscribe our channel. That's really help our that's really a fuel for ours. Thank you for watching. Bye.